One more to go. Thank you for sticking with it. Let's do this. Most energy in the U.S. is utilized for transportation, but a big chunk of energy is utilized to generate electricity. So I just wanted to give a little preview of where that comes from in Arizona. Now, again, energy and electricity are two different things. So I just wanted to make sure we get that across. So, what are the different natural resources used for electricity generation in Arizona? So to generate electricity is a big percentage of how we use energy resources. So this is all of Arizona. In Phoenix, most of it comes from nuclear. This is all but from the Palo Verde nuclear generating plant. This is but for all of Arizona. So for all of Arizona, so 49% of our electricity is generated from natural gas, as with the vast majority of the country. Most electricity is generated from natural gas burned power plants. You burn natural gas to generate heat, to heat up water. The water turns to steam. Steam goes through pipes, spins a turbine, spins a generator, which generates electricity. For Arizona, 26% is nuclear. Again, in the Phoenix area, that's almost all of our electricity is generated from nuclear. Not all, but a good amount of it is generated from nuclear. This is, again, all of Arizona, though. At 14%, coal. So there is still some coal generating plants around that generate a small fraction of our electricity. That's on the decline. Also, just because an electric power plant is in a state doesn't mean that's where it all goes. For instance, Palo Verde nuclear generating plant generates so much electricity. Not only does it go to Arizona and Phoenix, but it also gets shipped over to California and a number of different places. So just because we might not have a lot of coal-fired power plants in Arizona, maybe there's some in neighboring states that we get that electricity from. The yellow is hydroelectric. So there are a number of hydroelectric dams. Think of the Hoover Dam. But most of that goes to Las Vegas. But in Arizona, there's quite a number. In fact, there's a number of smaller ones around the Phoenix area. We'll touch on that in lab. And then 7% is everything else. All other renewables, including wind, solar, etc. How does that compare to the U.S.? Again, in the U.S., number one is natural gas, same here. Number two is nuclear, same on average in the U.S. Number three is coal, same in the U.S. Hydroelectric, and then renewable. So we're kind of in line. Some things more, some things less. All right. What else was I going to say? Ladies and gentlemen, I think that's it. You know what? Before we do, let me give you one more part of the super secret code. It is the number 4. You got me? The number 4. One more time, the number 4.